Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to change language on Walmart. In order to change the language on Walmart, what you need to do is you need to go to this address bar in the top and type down walmart.com. From the web browser, once you get inside this homepage, what you need to do is you need to go to your account section in the top right. And from here you can find there's an icon for this language here. You can simply select this language here. And in the left hand side you can find two language. Here you can select any of the language by simply clicking onto it and select this done. Select the save and that is it. After changing the language, the Walmart app will update and display the menus option and information in your selected language. And that is it. This is how you can change your language on Walmart app. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.